Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will be talking about a problem that we face during house construction. In concrete pouring, we all know that water cement ratio is one of the most important factor in any construction, okay, for concrete. So here you can see that what they have done, they actually bring concrete from outside the machine and just lay it here on this floor. So what happens, the possibility is that its water it might get segregated, or its water might go outside the concrete, and a segregated concrete can be retained here. So basically its water gets lost. Okay, so whenever the water gets lost, the problem that we face is its water cement ratio is decreased, and if its water cement ratio is decreased, there is a chance that its strength might increase. But if water cement ratio decreases too much, then it will fail, and this is one of the biggest mistake that we make during house construction. So whenever you are going for house construction, don't ever follow this practice that you are looking at. Thank you.